My mother was involved
Sound.
in the IPTA movement.
Little bit sound.
Involved in the IPTA movement, and practically she.
What's your name? What is the name?
Hena Banerjee. Hena Banerjee. And
From which area?
he are encouraging me to sing the song. In Salil Chaudhury's song. Salil Chaudhury is a prominent figure in the IPTA from Bengal part. And Hemant Mukhopadhyay, Hemant Kumar.
Little bit sound.
Hemant Kumar, he is also involved in IPTA. And actually, when Tebhaga movement is enlightened in Bengal, then Hey Samalo Dhan Ho Kasteta Dao San Ho, this Bengali song is very popular song, was very popular song in Bengal. So my mother actually taught me this song, Hey Samalo Dhan Ho. And my father's family is not communist family. They are Congress family. But my mother's family is a totally communist family.
Oh.
So actually I inspired from my uncle, my means mother's side. I just touch the and flavored the flavor of IPTS songs, IPTS drama, IPTS culture, IPTS everything. So when the aroused the Naxalbari movement 1967, then I am small. But in the year of 1970, I saw many of the young people, those who have left the school, college, and then go to villages, and I was then 13 years old only. So I flew away from the home and go to the village near Sundarban area.
Oh.
And I sing the song in the peasants, and party pick up me. That old pickup, old CPM pick up me, and involved in the courier, party courier. This place to this place, this place to this place. And actually my work was courier,
Korea.
and after that I'll go to the villages and sing the song and hear the song also and learn from the people. And after that, my big uncle who taken me from the villages, and I will go to my uncle's house, and then I locked.
Wait 1 minute.
In the 1974, 1975, when parties
So.
split up, and emergency period is come up, emergency period in Indira Gandhi's. So I am arrested by the police and 1 year jail.
You?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah, with some other comrades.
What is the reason for going to the jail?
Because of 30th April in the 1976, when emergency
Declared.
still going on. Then we, some students comrades, we are some student comrades, arranging a public guerrilla, practically performing in the street, and red flag is wasting and sing the song and flew away.
Oh, okay.
This is our plan.
Oh.
But
You are
police-
student. You are studying now at that time?
at that time I am first year
First year in
First year.
college.
college. So police pick up us and we are all go to the jail.
How many?
That is 16 people.
16 people who are the
They are all the
Performing students.
young.
Yes, sir.
16, 5, 17, 18. Yes. After from the jail, I am with the Unity Committee CPML. And Unity Committee CPL and CCCPL merged, and they are formed a PCCPL. And then I am going to Calcutta District Committee member and State Committee member also in the PCCPL. After that, I build a troupe, and this time a too much popular singer, mass singer, people singer, Suresh Bishas. His name is Suresh Bishas. I have learned from him, and so many mass songs he taught me. And after that, Bablu Niyogi, Amit Rai, they are singing the songs, and they are taught me in the Hemango Bishas songs. Hemango Bishas is the prominent figure in the IPTA and folk music, in the folk music.
one thing, Kamran. You are telling to the other state.
Yeah.
So you have to for example, you are giving some person name. You have to tell the importance of the person.
Yes, Suresh Bishas, now Suresh Bishas is, nobody don't his name, Suresh Bishas. But once upon a time, he was a popular in Naxalized singer. In the after 1976, 77 onwards.
Oh.
Okay, after 81, I will stay with him. I'll stay with him. And after that, I came back to home and studied and finished my MA, B.Ed, etc. But I am still singing the song and regular practicing the songs with my troupe. Two troupe, one is Samoshar and one troupe is Moving Squad.
Meaning?
Samoshar means chorus.
Poor.
Chorus. Samoshar means chorus. And Moving Squad means with these two teams I formed. And many of the young people with us, female and male also, and a big troop. But after that, everything is broken. Everything. And after that, I go to the some folklore folk singer in villages. They are baul and they are folkir in the Birbhum district.
Birghum district.
Birbhum district.
Birbhum.
And Birbhum district. And I taught from them the baul and folkish song. That means.
Sing some.
Yeah. সব লোকে কয় লালন কি জাত এই সংসারে, লালন বলে জাতের কি রূপ দেখলাম নাই নজরে, সব লোকে কয় লালন কি জাত এই সংসারে. This type of song. And after that, many of the
instrument is there?
no instrument, only that called dotara. Dotara.
Dotara.
Four string, but it
Aye.
dotara. Tara means sting. Tara means sting. Dotara means two string, but it is four string.
Okay.
And aktara, that means one string. This is the instrument. And dapli, that
Dapli,
means
Dapli.
dapli is there. And dubdugi, khamak, they are using this. After that, I think so. I am not only baul, fakir, and folk singer. Not only folk singer. I am a mass singer. I am people singer. I am political singer.
Yeah.
So I built myself for the political singer. Not only mass singer, not only people singer, a political singer also. And with my politics, I just practicing everywhere with my song, my politics. This is my approach. So I go to the Kabir Suman's house. He's a legend figure in the whole India and legend figure in the Asian also. Practically, he came from German and other side. Once his name was Suman Chattopadhyay. After that, he take the Islam, and after that, he is Kabir Suman. Actually, he taught me everything: how to sing, how to speak the people, and because one type of them, he is a modern singer, modern musician, and modern political also.
Yeah.
But now he is totally in Mamata Banerjee's supporter.
Yeah. Okay.
Now, but he is a great musician,
Yeah. That
and I respect him. And he taught me everything in the grammatically in the song.
song.
But I don't
Good.
believe in only not. I am not only singing the film, not singing the in the drama or commercial purpose. I am a political singer. I use my song for the politics, at the sake of the people, sake of the party, sake of the society. It is. So I written some song in Bengali or sometimes in Hindi, and I learned some English song also.
Okay.
Also, Kabir Suman helped me. And I perform that English, Hindi, and Bengali also. And another thing is that Bhupen Hazarekar's song is very haunting me. Very haunted. When his natural voice, his, Pallav songs, that song, Old Man River, oh Old Man River, he keeps on rolling, he just keeps rolling, he keeps on rolling along. This song, he made, it translated to in Osomia, and after that Bengali. Mr. Hard hai power, Artado ki hunkar, Kade hakar, Nishabdo shadar, O Ganga tuhi, O Ganga baheti hai kyu in Bengali. বিস্তীর্ণ দুপারে অসংখ্য মানুষের হাহাকার শুনেও নিঃশব্দে নীরবে ও গঙ্গা তুমি ও গঙ্গা বইছো কেন, this type of song. And practically I loved that song. Pallav songs, Mississippi is old man and Ganga is mother. There all the river is their father, but all the river maximum is mother,
Yeah.
some is father. That is. So I meet with the Bhupen Hazarekar also, and I trained from Bhupen Hazarekar some songs, and after that he go to the join the BJP. So after that, I am again I am started in the old IPTS song. In new generation don't know what is IPTA,
Yeah. That is correct.
where is IPTA, and what is they would do,
No.
they don't know. So again I am rethinking the IPTS song, those written by the many of the peoples. Again I am starting from Charan Kavi Mukunda Das to IPTA. Every songs and again I am just with the help of my daughter in English and Hindi translation, English and Hindi, that songs. So I have now I am written new songs also. Azadi, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So new songs also, and I think so. One song in the people, if you go to the people once, then after once, then after once, then that is popular. And I believe celebrated from the people, not from media.
Okay.
Celebration from the people, not from the
Media.
celebration from the revolution, not from the reactionists. That is my theory. And this theory helped me practically Pallabson, Pete Seeger, John Boyce, John Lyon, John Lennon, those who have in the Western country, and they taught me. They taught me because you see when John Lennon or the Belafonte is singing song, thousands of the people is shouting,
Yeah.
and they are singing the song. If it is not, if I am not that type of people, so song is nothing. I think so.
Yeah.
That is.
Correct.
This is my journey, practically. Again, any question?
Yeah.
Subara Panigrahi, who practically deep in my heart. Yeah? So I thought Chiramana Raju, Comrade Gadar, Comrade Samaji Bhagat. Actually, I saw they will they are always writing the songs in the not written. They are just gossiping and telling the story. This type of song they are built. So now I am thinking that I will not writing anything. I will see the people from, if that is the example, then I am in here, that is Barnala. And here people, here surroundings, their workers, their peasants, and their economical conditions. I have just described with my tune, described from here. So, one speech, that is not important for the people, but one song is the important for the
It will
people.
easily reach the people.
Yeah.
Understand?
And a cinema, that is also very good for the people.
Yeah.
One theater is very good for the people, but not a speech. Speech is good, no doubt. Speech is always. But if you describe everything in politics in your song or drama or film, you can easily reach the people. Easily reach to the people. So my journey is from there in the 2006 to 2024 on the Singhud and Nandigram movement. Then I have go to the Singhud Nandigram movement, and I am from I am involved that movement
Which
as
movement?
a mass song. Singhud Nandigram movement in Bengal.
Oh.
I am involved, and I am very I have learned very much thing from the people. I have realized that the people, sir, teach you, or people, sir, give you something. If you take it and you you are built something or transferred something in song or drama or film, etc. from the people. And I built a song and to the people. And I built a song of the people with the people.
Okay.